For us, it's just begun because we're finally getting recognition for stuff we've been doing for a long time.
The future plans are to accelerate this, socialise it, and to enable any business, any government, any community to adopt circular economy practice at lower risk and lower cost for increased benefits. The benefits relate to abundance of energy, abundance of materials, because they're perpetuating in cycles.
Our focus is currently very much on education at a time when the interesting engagement of young people is needed most. So I think we'd really love to help to engage and empower young people, helping them to actively participate in addressing the environmental challenges of our time.
We have to remain very well educated in the space so that we can offer value, and we're finding that that's fascinating and that's creating opportunities as well. So we're aware of so many exciting and innovative companies and products and services that are being made available.
We're always looking at our inputs and outputs and seeing if there can be another use, a second life. I mean, there's certainly more things we can do in terms of packaging that we have for our inputs. I mean, we have a lot of cardboard boxes and malt sacks and stuff like that. So we're always looking for alternative use and a second life for most things.
We continue to build the business from a sustainability point of view, like our power choice, our machinery choice, the way we dispose of waste. All of those are still going to be part of a huge journey.
My dream for the site is for the entire site to run off its own waste, producing electricity from the waste wood as well. There is over 300,000 tonnes of waste wood currently going to landfill in Victoria alone, and there's only a fraction of the total volume currently being recycled into products like recycled pallets, mulch.
While we're expanding to other products and also researching on other applications for EV batteries that could potentially be used for other applications.
So for us, we're also creating a whole lot of digital products and software solutions for other industrial applications and non-industrial applications that are feeding that digital journey to make sure that we can reduce waste on a whole lot of levels.
We would like to become more automated. So we've got our first robotic pallet manufacturing line coming online this year, and we're hoping to install robotic dismantling and urban sawmill so that we can dismantle the pallets more efficiently, more rapidly, instead of mulching so much material, produce a lot more recycled boards and bearers that we can reuse. That would also reduce our spend on timber. That's a huge benefit to our company.
So now that movement's got momentum, the journey's really begun. So we've sort of been stoking the fire. Now we can really get some traction because we know it's getting the attention that it deserved, has always deserved, and we can make it work for a lot of companies and a lot of people on a whole lot of levels.